full speed, I'm going straight to the top.
All right, what's going on YouTube? It's Tez. We back with another banger, you feel me? And today, as you can see from the title, we're gonna be working on the 335. We are gonna be installing the Apple CarPlay on this car. Let me show y'all what we got beforehand. So I have the regular stock OEM one. I think it's the CCC one, pre-LCI, whatever you call this, iDrive, right? So we're going to be upgrading this to this. We just got Apple CarPlay from my boy Wyatt. Shout out to my boy Wyatt. We officially got sponsored by this company, Shop Webby. So I'm gonna put that down below. Do a little unboxing. So this is the Apple CarPlay that it comes with, right? It is touchscreen. Looks lit. So we're gonna figure this out, hopefully. So it comes with that, bunch of wires. I'm guessing to charge your phone, hook it up to, right? Aux cord if you need that. The Android guys, and you got this big old wire for the adapter for it to run, for the screen to work and whatnot. Okay, let's see, we got some stickers in there. Shout out to my boy Wyatt. So yeah, this is what the stock one looks like. Real basic. I usually just leave it on the navigation down here, just because it looks better just to have this up right here. So that's usually what I have it on. But like I said, this Apple CarPlay is lit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Definitely lit 100%. And I think it came with something else. What's this? Camera. Is this a backup camera? My man sent a backup camera as well. That's lit. That definitely is lit, not gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can see that. That camera looks dope. I might have to look into how setting this up. And the 335 is gonna have a backup camera now. That's crazy, bro. So once again, this video is sponsored by my boy Wyatt. If y'all want, go ahead and head over to shopwebbies.com. I'm gonna put it down there. It should pop up like right there, whatever. But yeah, go to Shop Webbies and use my code ThatGuyTez. It's literally spelled like how my YouTube channel is spelled. And for you to get 5% off on, you know, on anything. So yeah, make sure y'all do that. Okay, we got the guy right there. So all right, pretty much hopping into this install. I know this whole thing has to come off. Both of these have to come out. So pretty much all this got to come out and whatnot. So yeah. All right, so we got all that off fairly quickly. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm thinking the next thing to do is to take off these 4 bolts right here. Boom, boom. And these 2 right here. So I'm about to go grab some more tools. I was thinking I didn't need no tools, but apparently I do. So we're about to do that and time lapse that. Let's get it. We got the bolts out of there. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. In order to take this out, got to put the car in drive, but the car is off. I do not want to turn it on. So this is what you do. You take this right here, pop this up. It's a little notch right here. You push it forward and push your foot on the brake. Neutral, drive. It's a little trick if y'all didn't know. So we should be able to slide this out now. Hopefully I got a good angle on this. Golly. Yeah, I'm about to time lapse that. So I got that out off camera, but this is the fun part. So we took that off, took this off. Next is these two screws up here. I don't know if y'all can see. Maybe not. But yeah, these two screws up here, just for the eye drive. Pop that out, and then we're gonna pop that one in and wire up the rest. I might not remember to a T how to do this, so I might have to give my boy a call, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, got those bolts out, so this should just slide on right out. Indeed. Alright, you got two of these in the back, two connections. So this one you just press down, slide out, that comes out. This one right here, gotta probably give it a little elbow grease. Boom, this is the old one out. So happy I'm getting rid of this. Don't even use it anyway. So if you have a pre-LCI or LCI model E92, E90, and you want to upgrade your interior outside of the dash, I know you could do a digital cluster for this one. This is definitely the way to go. So head over to my boy website, shopwebbies.com. Use my code ThatGuyTez at checkout for 5% off. And yeah, so this part is where I might have to call bro, I ain't gonna lie, because I don't feel like looking up the video. But yeah, we about to do that. Let's get him on the phone. My boy, say what's up to YouTube, gang. Oh, what you got going on?
We at work. Me and Frank.
Working.
Frank, pop out.
What up, Frank? This man is always in the weirdest places, bro. All right, so I got to this part, bruh, and as far as like the connections and everything, I don't really remember how they go. So I know.
Yeah, so with that big ass one at the bottom.
Yeah, that one.
The main radio. You see the harness that was in that box.
Yeah, this big one. Hold on, let me get right real quick. After like 20 minutes of being on the phone with Wyatt, I figured it out. It's pretty simple. So the wires, you have to transfer or take off one from one of these harnesses in here and whatnot, and then transfer over here so you can have sound. But other than that, I pretty much got everything together and ran the wires up here to plug in the back of there, and I got one more, should be one more that plugs in the back of it. Oh, it's right here, it's this one. So I'm gonna just run this one. Nah, he wasn't lying, that it's low-key tough to be able to do this at the same time, record and do this at the same time. Tough. Let me see if I can set this up, because I got this, the reason why I got this GoPro. All right, so yeah, right here, let's see, fish this up through the side, make it come up here, pause, that, so that comes up here, literally one way that it goes in, pause. If you follow along with his video that he posted, should be good, but I had his number, so I was like, I might as well just call him, bro. Bet. All right, so that's in. I'm about to test out the screen real quick to make sure. Make sure everything. Once again, shout out to my boy Wyatt for sponsoring this video, sponsoring this channel, sponsoring me. He a real one for that. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, that's lit. Oh my God, that's lit. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Let's see, let me try music and it's touchscreen. Yeah, you you did your big one on this. You did your big one on this, my boy. Y'all definitely, like I said, if y'all want to upgrade your E92, E90, definitely click the link in the description. I'm going to put it in the description, or you can look it up. Now checkout, you already know a code to use. That guy Tez to get 5% off. So everything is working the way it should. All right, so we're going to just set up all this later and whatnot. So everything works with it good. And we're just going to plug up everything to make sure the sound and everything is good. So I'm about to just time lapse everything. It's like it's a whole mess up in here, bro. Time lapse everything, me putting this together. So let's. All right, so I ain't gonna lie, I low-key struggle putting this CD player back in there because the way that block is, like in the back of it, it has to go like. It has to have room pretty much to be pushed all the way to the back and be able to clear. So I was able to do all that, and I just ran mine right there, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't got time to do all that. He said to run it through there, but bro, it's starting to get hot out here. I'm starting to get annoyed, and I just want to get it done. So I just ran mine like that. So I'm about to put the rest of this together, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Put this trim on, and we should be good to go. And put the bolts back in for that. So let's time lapse that. All right, bro, I didn't even time lapse me putting all this together. But I mean, it's in there, as you can see. Let's go ahead. If you're not, let me say this. If you're not experienced in doing any of this, my suggest to you is to have somebody install this for you, 100%. Because if you don't, you're gonna struggle. Alright, so I'll put that in. Ignition buttons works. Need to put this back in drive. Okay. System starting. Got the sound. So next thing would be, I'm guessing, to connect my phone to it. So I'm about to try to do all that and see if it plays. All right, so I figured it out, and that is actually working. I got it connected to my phone. I'm about to put the pin in for it. Hit pair. Allow. Okay, that guy test. All right, that's on. Cool. It's connected to that. Bluetooth is on. Wireless CarPlay. Use CarPlay with car. Let's see if it works. It says connecting CarPlay. Oh, that's lit. Yeah, him. He's definitely him. Man, y'all go ahead and place your orders down in the link below, man. This is definitely lit, bro. Let me see. Let me open up Waze. Okay, so bro, this is so lit, bro. Changes the whole feel of the car, bro. 100,000%. Okay. I don't hear anything. It's probably because I got this aux in here, more than likely. Alright, so as you can see, before I get copyrighted, everything is working the way it should. I give it a 10 out of 10. Just the installation part it's a little hectic, I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna struggle putting this back, the CD player back in there, and routing this. I just routed mine on the side of it. I don't really have a preference for real. And another important note in doing this, so this aux, this cable right here is supposed to run from the harness. Has like a female version that will allow you to plug one of these in, and that's supposed to run from there all the way up and through here and into this handrest right here, like where this is coming from. So I have my Bluetooth connected to that, so pretty much for me to have sound on this, I'm just literally connecting to my Bluetooth, and everything is literally the same. I could skip a song and it plays, see? So other than that, I think this is gonna conclude this video. I tried to record as much as I could, but this is like very strenuous, like, you feel me, like very hands-on. So everything is on, the fitment is great. So if you looking to get this Apple CarPlay upgrade for your E92 or any E series you have, I would definitely suggest it. But other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's get it, man. I'll see y'all. All right, before we end this video off, of course we gotta stamp the whip. My boy sticker, repping the brand. Shop Webbies. Let's get it. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Let's go.
I hop in it full speed, I'm going straight to the top.